forward to going in the sea?
Yeah. First time in months.
Yeah, no, it's been a long time.
About 3 months.
Yeah.
Ooh, this looks nice.
That's nice. Sounds good for rat dance.
What?
Rat dance. So, it's only a little
Do you
dog.
not like dogs?
Oh, he's okay with them.
It's very fun.
Thank you.
Not that. What's Mummy doing? Mummy's leaving the tent all alone.
Alright, look.
Dangerous. Someone could steal our blanket.
On my phone.
What's freezing? Are you cold?
No, of course not.
How are you not cold? I'm going back in again.
Go on then, back in. I'm right here, Luke. We should have washed his face before he went in. How's it going? Are we going back then? Shall I hold your board? We're going back then. Huh?
I don't mind.
You do like an interesting rock, don't you?
Yeah, that looks like an egg. Kind of actually looks like an egg.
There is our lovely shelter.
A lovely little shelter. Best shelter. Okay, you can get for a beach. To explore. Shall we put that in the rock collection? Shall we see how far I can get?
Not so
And straight to further. I think so.
deep. Guys, you know the water is so cold. How many degrees do you think it is, Daddy?
Probably 10.
Seriously cold. I don't know why you do it.
Can you do?
Not sure. I don't see any people. I don't think it's cold. You can swim with me. Don't go too deep.
You got it?
Yeah.
In such perfection.
It just went you see. There's no one swimming, guys, except Luke and the one that's short over there.
Okay, I got the farthest I can get.
You want the towel?
Definitely. Mummy, Daddy, this shield is open.
There.
Turn around.
No, that's my face.
Oh.
Mummy, Daddy, that's the farthest I can get. Should I tell you how bad it was?
How bad?
It got over my head. Which I
No.
That's impressive.
You're so red now.
I felt so scared.
Nak, are you sure you don't want the towel?
I'm sure. I think Daddy can get way farther.
Dressed in a nose.
Mummy,
No, I
with
don't.
the shield.
It's really cold, Nak. I can't
Mummy,
tolerate
can
the
I
leg.
get with you?
Huh?
Can I do it with you?
I don't want to go in the water
Let's see how
anymore.
good I am with you.
It's too cold. I don't know
Please.
how you do it.
Mummy, I have a shield. I just do this.
You can go over there
Mommy,
over
can
the
you come
other
with
two
me?
children and play
Can
with
you
them.
come with me?
All right.
I just put the shield in front of the highest I can protect its nose. If it's really high like over there, I have to cover my face.
You're so red, Nak Nak.
Yeah.
Daddy is moving his
Do
jeans
you
now.
guys
He's
think I
going.
can? Do you want? Is Daddy? I think again. Do you want to come with me? Thanks a lot. Shall I also help you? Or should you help me since I'm short? Short, I get the best. Okay, and then you can put those over.
Why you didn't try the new shorts that you got? It's probably smaller.
Want me to charge in? You dare me to charge in? Okay, good.
Even putting your head on.
It's really cold. Swimming over there, so they're preparing to swim. They probably think it's a hard swim. Probably good.
Mummy,
Yeah, looks like.
Mummy, Daddy, can you two help me get far over there? You think we could get over far? Can all of us go?
My shirt.
Just take your shirt off and show your
why
butt
didn't you
belly.
take it off? You didn't bring extra?
I didn't expect it. No, I didn't.
Oh god.
Then you'll have to. Oh my god! Oh my god, I'm literally making wet sand. I'm gonna build a sand castle out of wet sand. I'm making a sand castle. I'm building. Since I'm so
Go
wet.
back in.
With you.
Yeah.
Oh good. Daddy, can you help me up?
This is toast.
Hey. Oh, the toes to show.
Doubt.
No, doesn't look cool.
So I don't know if it's the blue one.
Can you wipe my chin?
Ugh.
Can you wipe it? Thanks. Oh, yeah. My feet just went by. Ah! Ah! I'm just a head with toes. I'm just a head, a floating head with toes. Daddy, you know what I don't like about the Mr. Bean cartoon?
What?
Is that all the characters' feet are levitating. And Mr. Bean's feet are levitating.
Oh, okay.
Literally. Their feet levitate.
There you
I
go.
do that when he wears shoes. No, when I wear shoes. Nearly as tall as I thought I was, literally. Didn't need to do that.
Yay.
Not out yet. Still not.
Oh, look, there's a big boat over there.
Ah! I saw that a long time ago. I saw that big thing a long time ago.
What, big red one?
Yeah, I've seen that a long
It's
time.
been there all afternoon.
Yeah, I've seen it the entire
Another
day.
set over there.
Practically,
As well.
since we got over there, which it's flooded, lucky we went back.
That ship will be waiting for his appointment.
That is- What should we do?
That's
Why?
Rat dance.
Okay, fine. It's kind of hard on sand. I'm better on pavement.
Yeah.
Well, this is a bit hard, but it's not flat. Can someone make this flat so I can do
Well, it was
oh,
flat.
a bit over there.
Where's flat bit?
Plate.
Double plate. Double plate. Plates are always good to bring when you go to the beach.
They are, yeah.
Yes. Yeah, you can use them around. I want it to be harder. I feel like
Am I
this.
filming? Should I film?
Yes. You can film behind the scenes. You won't get behind the scenes.
So this video, guys, is also a test for our DJI Osmo. I forgot what it's called. Pro 5 Pro, I think. I'm not sure. But Luke is wearing one of the mic. Look, can you say something?
Yeah.
So I'll go
Go on,
far and see if he can still hear. Look, can you say something?
Yeah.
And Daddy.
Daddy,
Oh, I can't see it.
say something, Luke.
Just
Say
talk.
something, Luke.
So I don't know if it will.
I've gone a lot better at rat dance
Or
than last
because I'm not really reading
Blue,
fully notes.
Bluetooth is like 15, 25 feet, isn't it?
Really?
Mm.
Wait, can I do something? Which rat dance is better, my old one or the one I'm going to show you? And not been shown on my
also
TV.
testing it.
Can I show you my TV? Which rat dance is better, my old one or my new one? Son?
It also will test the noise reduction from the
I'm kind of bad at my old rat
and the
dance.
wind. So
Wait, shall I show you my tip rat dance compared from
we didn't
the
try
old and
dipping it in
new?
the water.
Yep.
though.
So time to do rat
Because
dance
Lou
from
said
old
it's
to
better than
new.
try it in the
Shall I do old rat dance compared to my new one?
Uh-huh.
Time to do my old. That's my old. That's how I used to do it. But shall I do how I now do it? Which one is better?
both.
Which one is the best?
Which one is better, Daddy?
Oh, I didn't see the second one. I was covering my foot up.
Start again.
Which one?
Start.
The old one or new one?
Both.
Which one shall I start with?
The old one.
Okay. Wait. That's my old one. Pretty bad. I'd say my new one's better.
New one is...
Okay, wait. I'm starting now.
Oh, okay. I'm getting that, yeah. Yeah,
I'll
new
say
one's
something.
better.
The new one. Then.
Yeah.
Yeah, my new one because I do better with the legs and arms. When I watch videos, I need to actually do this instead of this. Want me to help you cover your leg? Can I help? Cover your leg?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. It's disgusting touching your feet.
Why?
Because they're little feet with all the hair.
What's wrong with my feet?
Oh,
And the other end, which you can
every
walk
single foot.
around the edge. But there behind it is the
Can I
other
get a
beach
plate?
before. What's they call the other beach, Daddy, that we went before? The one behind it?
Yeah. Botany Babe or Botany, I don't know.
Barnes or something. I will put it on the side of the screen.
It might be Botany Bay, something like
Yeah, I'm
that.
gonna have a look at it on YouTube because I did post a video.
I'm
about
covering both of them. Hope you don't mind.
You know there's a plant over there that's really low. Is that a popsicle?
Dad, don't move your foot.
Like the
I'm
one that's
making it
pointy, the
hard.
one with the red one.
Wait, do you want to film?
After the, you know,
Wait,
the tent.
do you want to film?
Just,
You want to film
just
me and Daddy going
few
in the
meters
water?
to the.
Oh, there. No, it's Centranthus.
Chalk. I'm putting
Centranthus.
chalk on Daddy's leg. Why is
really
chalk
long,
very
isn't it?
common?
Yeah.
It's like
I found like
this box
a lot of
is
chalk.
posting
Yeah.
picture box.
Look
Like
at
really
that
tall.
digging I am. You think I'm good at digging? Look at this. It's really good. What should we do?
I think I can hear when you're talking. Look, I think I can see the green one going up and down. So that's probably the volume.
So I have a question.
Yeah.
What should we do?
I don't know. What do you want to do?
Well, I don't know.
I think we need.
I've gone in the
next time
water. I went over
to
to
test
collect
the-
shells, which sadly the place has
The camera guy is
drowned.
going in the water.
Mm.
It drowned not so long ago.
But
The
still
place.
said not to trust it.
Mummy took an hour getting shells. Definitely an hour.
Yeah, but we can't go in the water at that time. I was very cold and very gloomy.
Do you think we could go
So
now?
at least go home.
Wait, no, I mean go into the water.
Oh, I don't want to.
Hell no!
I'm already dry.
I've just dried out from the last
You
time.
can go if you want.
I don't want to go alone.
I don't want to go. Like, if it's very warm, I wouldn't mind going in the water.
I really wish you two would.
I'm still feeling cold even with my clothes.
Bruh, Mummy, don't be such a scaredy bat.
I'm not very good with cold.
Scaredy bat.
Yes. What is Batman when he fights every bad guy team together?
He's a tough bat.
No, he's a scaredy bat.
Is he?
Yeah, if
That
every
is
single
pretty good.
bad
I
guy
like this
teaming
camera.
together against him, but there he
Good.
I wish I
goes.
can use this.
He'd be a scaredy bat.
There's no zoom though. I don't know
Get
how to
it,
use the
scaredy
zoom
cat,
if there is a
scaredy
zoom
bat.
in this one.
Get
Maybe
it,
the
he's a
screen.
bat.
Oh, yeah, might be a.
Can't even do it.
Do you like the joke I just said?
So I don't know, guys.
How does Batman feel when he's about to be defeated?
Battered.
No, a scaredy bat.
Uh-huh.
He's a scaredy bat when he's fighting every bad guy.
Back. That's it.
I have a different question. Which bad guy wins the most?
Huh?
Which bad guy wins the most?
I don't know. Oh, I know.
Who?
Penguin.
No, the penguin.
Penguin.
Yeah, you have to say it out.
I think that's what I said. Penguin.
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 Yes, when is it?
I
Penguin.
said penguin. I said penguin.
The penguins every
Yeah,
time.
you know, the penguin from Batman, remember him?
I say bye bye
remember
to
him.
the vlog.
Bye bye, Echo Jennifer. Okay, now it's not.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye,
Sorry,
normal
you got
people.